Chapter 31, prescription writing. Abbreviations commonly used. That is very much important because abbreviations we use in our day-to-day practice. Okay, many things we cannot write in OPD timing. Okay, long things. Okay, that we cannot write. Okay, so this is commonly understood by the medical fraternity. Okay, like that may be that consultant, that may be medical officer, that may be senior resident, that may be nursing staff, that may be the pharmacist. Okay, so they properly understand the things. Okay, that's why this type of terminologies are used. Okay, the abbreviation commonly used. Abbreviations are most useful in the prescription writing. It saves the valuable time of the prescription and gives the clear description to the pharmacist in very short space. Following is the mode of writing abbreviations. Okay, notations in prescription writing. Abbreviations are given below with Latin or Greek words and their English meanings. Okay, these are the words that are given. Okay, and just if you have pencil, okay, just keep it with you. Okay, so that's big. Some are important are like those which just came in previous exams. Okay, so that just you can tick. Okay, so like when you don't have time at the time of exam, at least you can see that parts also. Okay, otherwise everything is important. Okay, but you can see that things. Okay, so like abbreviations. Okay, capital A or capital A and small a, or capital A, small a and small a. Okay, Latin or Greek. Okay, words. What this is called A and A. Okay, then English meaning is of each. Okay, that you have to know, of each. Okay, if anything I feel like which came in previous year exams. Okay, that I will tell you. Just put a small tick on that. Okay, capital A, then C, or small a and C. Okay, Ati, Sibam. Okay, then before food, before meal. Okay, then capital A, small d. Okay, AD. Okay, two up to. Okay, then A double D, add. Okay, ADIDE. Okay, that is add, let them be added. Okay, that should be there. Then ADLIB. Okay, then add libitum. Okay, that is to the desired amount. Okay, normally this for some things these Latin or Greek words are not used. Okay, directly this English terminology is also used. Okay, add as extern. Okay, then add usum externum. Okay, that is for external use. Okay, tick it. Okay, just put a small tick. Okay, this is important. Add as extern. Okay, add usum externum. Okay, for external use. Okay, then equa equilis. Okay, then equal. Okay, then next is the agit, agita. Okay, then sec or still. Okay, that already you have heard about that sec well before use. Okay, then agit or us. Okay, agit, na, usum. Okay, then sec before using. Okay, then next is the alb, albus. Okay, that is white. Then alt hor means alternis horis means every other hour. Okay, then alt noct. Okay, alternis nocta. Okay, then every other night. Okay, means every alternate night. Okay, then anti, ante. Okay, then before. Then aqua means with water. Bula means bullins. Okay, then boiling water. Aqua comma. Okay, aqua communis means common water. Okay, then aqua dist. Okay, aqua distilla. Okay, distill water. Okay, then aqua ferv. Okay, aqua fervens. Okay, hot water. Then aqua pura, pure water. Then ayur. Okay, ayuris. Okay, the ear or ears. Okay, then at, uh, out. Okay, or. Okay, bini well. Okay, then bibe. Okay, drink. Okay, then bis. Okay, Latin or Greek word is the bis. Bis means in English meaning it is twice. Okay. Then, okay, Bipin. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Uh,
Huh?
okay. Okay, start reading from this part. Okay, BD. You can read now. You have book.
Yes, I have PDF.
Hmm?
PDF, sir.
PDF. Okay, okay. Then anyone who has book? Nobody has taken book. Okay, to just see now. Okay, give concern. Okay. Sinolin, roll number 48 na. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just start from this. Okay, page number 412. Okay, BD, bis in D. Okay, Latin or Greek word is bis in dies. Okay, then in English is twice daily. Okay, just start from next.
BID. This
Oh,
in dies twice in a day.
okay, English meaning is twice in a day. Okay, next. Okay, just tick it, na? Just tick it. Okay, this is also important. Then,
BID. Bid. Latin or Greek word bidere.
okay,
English. English drink.
okay,
Bowl.
hmm,
Latin or Greek word bolus.
hmm,
English a large pill.
okay,
BP. English meaning boiling point.
okay.
So the next one.
See with, okay, that is only with. Okay, this is not actually common terminology for short handwriting. Okay, see, just you are putting a line over that. Okay, that is called as a with. Okay, just leave it. Then next C, common C.
C. Centum.
Hmm.
Latin or Greek word centum. English
Yeah,
meaning 100.
okay,
Another C. Latin or Greek word conscious.
okay,
English meaning a gallon.
okay,
Capital CC.
Well,
English meaning cubic centimeter.
okay.
Cap.
sir,
Hello.
सर दोनों सी का मतलब दो सी और दोनों का एक ही मीनिंग है सर. ये 100 और गैलन
C,
दो
okay.
कैपिटल से लिखा हुआ
Centum, yeah,
है.
100, okay. Then double C. Double C is gallon, na? No, cubic centimeter. Okay. Then one C is congious, okay, a gallon, okay. Normally these terms are nowadays not used, okay, just but it is already recorded, okay. In nowadays prescription you will not find this, okay. If you will see any prescription, na, these things you will not find, okay.
ओके सर.
Okay, so don't take tension about these things. Okay, which are actually important that I will tell you. Okay, but just I am telling you to read all at once because I know second time you will not read. Okay, at least you will read once. So if suppose question will come, at least you can respond. Okay, by your memory. Okay, you understand?
यस सर.
Question will come. Okay, because I know na I don't know ki who will make question. Okay, from where question will come. Okay. So for that we have to prepare, na?
ओके सर.
Okay. Then next.
Cap. Latin or Greek word capitate.
Okay.
English meaning let him take.
Okay.
Caps. Latin or Greek word capsula.
Okay.
English meaning a capsule.
Okay.
Sera.
Hmm.
Latin or Greek word sera.
Okay.
English meaning wet.
Okay.
Serrate.
Hmm.
Latin or Greek word serratum.
Yeah.
English meaning serrate.
Okay.
Chart.
Okay.
Charta. A
Okay.
paper.
Okay.
Sib. Sibus. Food or meal.
Okay.
Citodisp. Citodispensator. Let
Okay.
it be dispensed quickly.
Quickly. Okay. Means just you have the doctor will give pharmacist instruction to dispense quickly. Okay. Next.
Call.
Hmm.
col cochlear spoonful.
Okay.
Col M
Okay.
cochlear amplion, a tablespoonful.
Okay.
Col Meg
Hmm.
cochlear magnum, a large
Okay.
spoonful.
Spoon. Okay.
Col Min cochlear minimum, a
Okay.
small spoonful.
Okay.
Col Mod
Hmm.
cochlear modicum, a dessert spoonful.
Okay.
Col Par cochlear parvum.
Okay.
Cola
Hmm.
strain.
Okay.
Col Collyrium and eye wash.
Okay.
Colon colonu- Colonarium, a nose wash.
Okay.
Collutorium, a
Okay.
mouthwash.
Okay.
Compositus compound.
Okay.
Contricamentum, a liniment.
Okay.
Conscious, a gallon.
Okay.
Conserva, a
Okay.
conserved kip.
Okay.
Contra, against.
Okay.
Cortex, the bar.
Okay. Just tick it, na? Cortex, the bark. Okay. Next.
Capital C, small m.
Okay.
Crass mean
Okay.
tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Capital C, small n.
Okay.
Crass nocti,
Okay.
tomorrow night.
Okay.
Capital C, small v. Crash vespere, tomorrow
Okay.
evening.
Okay, just tick it, na. I have seen in one university question paper, capital C, small v. Okay, this was asked 1 mark. Okay, short note. Okay, just write Latin and English meaning. Okay, just tick it. And in concern with this, just put your common sense. Okay, when you are writing answer, if this type of short things come, okay, means like always it is not necessary you have to just remember all the things. Okay, you can by the words also you will understand things. Okay. Next.
Pooches of which.
Okay.
Cyathus, a glass.
Okay.
C. Vin. Cyathus vinarius, a wine
Okay.
glass.
Okay. Okay. Then next we will tell. Okay. Srishti is there. Have you book or you have PDF?
Hello sir.
You have book or PDF?
The PDF.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं. Okay. Next is roll number 2 minutes. Na. Anyone who has book? Nobody.
Sir, I have book.
Okay, so read, start.
Sir.
D, from D. Okay, I am just telling
Yes,
you
sir.
to read because at least this time you will read one, okay? Otherwise it is not an issue, I can also read, okay? But at least once you will read, it will be in your mind, okay? Because I know nowadays
Sir,
in normal day-to-day practice, all the short forms are not used by doctors, okay? Just some common words are used, okay? Okay, start.
capital D, doses, a
Okay,
dose.
okay,
Small d, uh,
okay,
da,
okay,
give.
okay,
De,
okay,
English meaning of, from.
okay,
Deck,
okay,
decanta, and
okay,
pour off.
okay,
Disam, disam, and tan.
okay,
D, E- D in D,
okay,
D, die in do, from day
okay,
to day.
okay,
Dat, dature, to be
okay,
given, give.
okay,
Dive, alt, divus alternis, on alternate days.
okay,
Dilutus, dilute, diluted. Div,
okay,
dimidus, one half.
okay,
Div, divide, divide.
okay,
D, imp, eq, dividatur in partes equalis, let it be divided into equal parts.
Okay.
ETD denture talus doses
Okay.
from one of small e x and
Okay.
ET and
Okay.
FT fiat let it be made.
Okay.
FT siret fiat siratum let a
Okay.
siret be made.
Okay.
FT chart 12th fiat chartuli 12th let 12 powders be made.
Okay.
FT collyr fiat collyrum let an eye wash be made.
Okay.
FT host fiat hostus make a draught.
Okay.
FT linum fiat linimentum let a liniment be made.
Okay.
FT mist fiat mistura let a mixture be made.
Okay.
FT pill fiat pilula make a pill.
Okay.
FT pulv fiat pulvis let a powder be made.
Okay.
FT salt fiat solutia let a solution be made.
Okay.
FT ang fiat ungin, unguentum let an ointment be made.
Okay.
Gargarisma a gargle.
Okay.
GMG Grammy grams.
Okay.
Grana a grain.
Okay.
GT gutta a drop.
Okay. Just tick it. GT Gutta. Okay. Tick it. Okay. It is. I've seen it in question paper. Okay. Next.
Hostus a draught.
Okay.
Habt habiet let him give. Let him
Okay.
have.
Okay.
Habt habiet let him have. Hick hawk this.
Okay.
H hora and R. HD
Okay.
hora decubitus at bedtime.
Okay.
HS hora somni at bedtime.
Okay. This
Hor
HS,
Horace
HS
R.
ticket is this. Okay. HS. Okay. Hora somni at bedtime. Okay. HS. This is nowadays also commonly used in prescriptions. Okay. Next.
Indis indi. Daily in a
Okay.
day.
Okay.
Lack milk.
Okay.
Let doll lettery dolenti to the painful side.
Okay.
Linimentum liniment.
Okay. Next.
Lot lotio a lotion.
Okay.
Capital M Miski mix. Small
Okay.
m minim a drop.
Okay.
Magnus large. Many morning. METN many at nocti morning at night.
Okay.
MP melting point. Mittis sand.
Okay.
Mittal mitty tails sand such.
Okay.
Mist mistura a mixture. Mod
Okay.
prescript modo prescripto as prescribed.
Okay.
More dict moro dicto to be used in the manner directed.
Okay.
MDU moro dicto utendum to be used as directed.
Okay. 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 NO. Okay. N capital. O capital. Okay. Natural order. Okay. Then next is N small o. Okay. Numero. Numerous. Okay. Number. Then NOCT knocked. Nocte. Okay. At night. Okay. Then NON. NOX, okay, not, do not, okay. Then NONREP, okay, non repeateur, okay, do not repeat, okay. In the English word, it is not repeat, okay. Then NOX, NOX, okay, Latin or Greek NOX, okay, at the night, okay, only night, okay. Then next is the Q, okay, just it is O, okay. O, okay, just it is mother tincture, ticket, okay. Mother substances, okay. O, okay, normal O is there, okay, not Q. O is there, that is the mother substances, okay. When we are just studying about the definition of mother substances, at that time also we have seen this, okay. This capital O. Okay, next is the oct or o. Okay, oct, Greek or Latin or Greek word is octaris. Okay, pint. Okay, just a small amount, pint. Okay, then om. Okay, omnis, all, every, after. Okay, then om main. Okay, omni mane. Okay, every morning. Okay, om noct. Okay, omni nocte. Okay, every night. Okay, then omne hor. Okay, omni hora. Okay, every hour. Okay, then omni beach. Okay, omni bihora. Okay, every 2 hours. Okay, then o small d. Okay, omni die. Okay, every day. Okay, just tick it. O small d. Okay, omni die. Okay, every day. Then next is the abbreviation capital O, capital P. Okay, that is overproof. Already we have discussed when we are studying about the spirit. Okay, in vehicle chapter. Okay, the overproof. Okay, OP. Then next is the P dot AE. Okay, parte. Okay, equalis. Okay, equal parts. Then favors. Okay, favors is little. Okay, then far. PHAR, far. Pharmaceutical. Okay, related to the pharmacy. PHAR. Okay, then post. POST. Okay, just is after, post. Okay, then P dot capital C dot. Okay, in Latin and Greek it is post cibus. Okay, after food. Okay, post cibus, after food. Okay, then PR dot C. Okay, pruvis cibus. Okay, before food. Then P dot R dot N. Okay, pro re nota, nata. Okay, that is when required. Okay, that when required in English meaning. Okay, next is the prox. Okay, proximo. Okay, next. Then PT. Okay, PT is uh, Persture. Okay, that is continue. Okay, then pulley. Pulley is the pulvus. Okay, powder. Pulley or pulvus. Okay, pulvus is the Latin or Greek, and in English it is powder. Okay, then P dot, capital R dot, or small p dot or small r dot. Okay, Latin or Greek word is per rectum. Okay, that is by the rectum. Okay, this is the way of means administration of dose. Okay, per rectum. Okay, then P dot V dot. Okay, normally these PR, PV terminologies are used. Okay, nowadays. Okay, especially in the surgery department. Okay, like per vaginum. Okay, that is by the vagina. Okay, then Q. Okay, Q is the mother tincture. Remember it. Okay, Q is the mother tincture. Okay, remember it. Next is the QH. Okay, the QU or HOR. Okay, uh, Qucus hora. Okay, each hour or every hour. Okay, then QID. Okay, again just tick it. Okay, QID, small QID. Okay, quarter in die. Okay, 4 times a day. Okay, that you have to tick. And this PR, PV and Q. Okay, these three you have to tick it. Okay, these are also useful. Okay, next is the capital Q, capital L abbreviation. Okay, Latin or Greek word is the quantum libet. Okay, then English meaning is the as much as required. Okay, then abbreviation Q dot P, capital P dot. Okay, quantum placet. Okay, means as much as you please. Okay, then abbreviation Q dot capital S. Okay, quantum sufficient. Okay, means a sufficient quantity. Okay, then abbreviation Q dot small v. Okay, that is quantum wish, as much as you wish. Okay, QV, tick it. Okay, QV. Okay, as much as you wish. Okay, Q small v. Okay, next is the RX. Okay, it is like a 5-star you can put. Okay, many times it is asked. Okay, because this is just like in Viva also it is asked. Okay, what is the meaning of RX? Okay, because in every prescription paid in many designs it is written. Okay, that's why. So Latin or Greek meaning is the receipt. Okay, and English meaning is to take. Okay, RX means receive or to take. Okay, actually this is like at Hippocrates time. Okay, it was written like the with the grace of Jupiter. Okay, you have to take. Okay, means when any doctor is or any physician is prescribing, okay, just they are asking or just they are worshipping to Jupiter, okay, so that the patient can be healed easily and fast. Okay, the patient can be cured. Okay, so with the grace of Jupiter to take. Okay, RX, it is the meaning of that. Okay, so just take it. Okay, REPT. Okay, then repetior. Okay, let it be repeated. Okay, then next is the capital S abbreviation. Okay, then Latin or Greek word is the signa. Okay, that is the half. Okay, then abbreviation capital S, capital S. Okay, that is the simis. Okay, that is also called as a half. Okay, then abbreviation capital SEMEL. Okay, that is the simil. Simil is once. Okay, then simil in D. Okay, simil in die means once a day. Okay, just tick it. SEMEL in D. Okay, means simil in die once a day. Okay, normally we tell to our patient once a day you take this. Okay, SEMIH. Okay, simi hora. Okay, means half an hour. Okay, then septi mana. Okay, then septi mana, that is a week. Okay, then SIG signa. Okay, means signa, that is mark or label. Okay, then SINE. Okay, that is the without. Then SING. Okay, SINGULORUM, singularum. Okay, of each. Okay, then capital SOL. Okay, that is solution. Okay, normally it is written in chemistry also, and it is just like a abbreviation like we use it. Okay, SOLV dot. Okay, SOLVE, that is to dissolve. Okay, then capital L, capital S, capital L abbreviation Latin or Greek is the sacrum lacti. Okay, and that is the sugar of milk. Okay, tick it, already you know. Okay, already we have discussed in vehicle chapter. Okay, you know this. Okay, next is again important. Okay, tick it. SOS. Okay, abbreviation SOS, capital S, capital O, capital S. Okay, means psi opposite. Okay, means it is meaning if necessary. Okay, normally it is written. Okay, when any prescription is there, normally many times it is written. Okay, SOS. Okay, when like when you are getting pain, you take it. Okay, any type of like painkiller they are writing, or just write like SOS. Okay, when you are feeling pain, you can take like that. Okay, SOS, just tick it. Na, that this is important. Okay, SP, GR or SG. Okay, that is the specific gravity. Okay, then estimate. Okay, then STEM team. Okay, that is the immediately. Then sum. Okay, sumni sumet. Okay, then let him take. Okay, then S, capital V and capital R. Okay, that is the abbreviations. Okay, then spiritus vini nectificates. Okay, that is the alcohol. Okay, then next is the TD or TID. Okay, that is the ter in die, that is thrice daily. Okay, just tick it, that is also important, thrice a day. Okay, then talis. Okay, TALIS. Okay, such like this. Okay, tear. Okay, tere. Okay, then rule. Then TR. Okay, tincture. Okay, already we know tincture. Okay, treat. Okay, tritura. Okay, then triturations. Okay, una. Okay, then una is together. Okay, then ansia. Okay, ansia is at once. Okay, then Okay, unguentum. Okay, that is an ointment. Okay, then UT. Okay, then this. Okay, UT discum. Okay, then as directed. Then when. Okay, vacu ventrillum. Okay, that is to empty stomach. Okay, you can tick it. Okay, but means when. Okay, means vacuum ventriculo. Okay, that is the in empty stomach. You can just tick it. Okay, just read once. Okay, when or. Okay, VOL VOL volume, okay, WT, okay, weight, then this is, okay, 1 drum, okay, then half drum, okay, then 1 ounce, then half ounce, okay, then 1.5 ounce, okay. So this much is there, okay. So what I have told you to tick that, at least you just go through that, okay, because in previous year examination I have seen this question. Just write the this abbreviation, write the Latin and Greek and English meaning, okay. And most of the time in competitive exam these are asked, okay, Greek Latin meaning or English meaning that you have to write, okay. So till here, any doubt you have, anything you want to ask? In next class I will ask, okay. Be prepared, okay. Anything, any question in this? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now we will go to the parts, okay, different parts of the prescription writing. Okay, yesterday in PowerPoint already we have discussed, okay, but by book we will go through, okay, something extra, anything what we will get, okay. So for that we will go to the book, okay. Okay. Principles and modes of prescription writing, okay. What is the rule, regulation, what are the parts of prescription writing, okay. Already we have seen superscription, inscription, subscription and signature, okay. So what that thing contain, okay, many, okay, that thing we will be just understanding, okay. Etymology, the word prescription is derived from the Latin prescripto, okay, para meaning before and scripto meaning I write, okay. Yesterday already we have discussed, okay, about this. Definition, okay, you have to know the definition of prescription writing, okay, because in Viva, okay, in 1 or 2 mark questions, okay, in theory, okay, these are important, okay. Prescription is a written direction given by a physician to his own compounder or any pharmacist for the preparation of medicine, as well as instruction to the patient about the mode of intake, okay. This is called as a prescription writing. If the physician serves as a prescription from his own medical stock, then there is no question of writing a prescription, okay. In this case, he just record in his diary or in a book exclusively before for the future reference, along with the name, address and the age of the patient, and the prescription remedy with potency and doses, okay. Actually, when you are giving a medicine, prescribing and patient in taking medicine from the pharmacist or from other shop, then prescription is needed, okay. But if you are prescribing medicine from your own clinic or own place, okay, at that time prescription is not so much important, okay. But if patient is willing, then you have to give prescription to the patient, okay. That is important, okay. And you can keep prescription for your own record, okay, so that if you want, if patient will come next time, you can remember the things, okay. Or if you are doing some data collection, some research at that time, that will be helpful for the things, okay. So that is the important, okay. It's because in many of the Ayurvedic and homeopathic, okay, clinics, okay, normally doctors are prescribing medicine from their own clinic, okay. But for their record, at least they should have to give, okay, they should have to properly write the case and they have to properly prescribe it and keep it with them, okay. They can give a registration number or anything, name, registration number to their patient, okay, like that, okay. But record keeping is important, okay. Means it is not like that you are not keeping any record of the what you have given to your patient, okay. That is important to keep the record, okay. Okay, then, but if the physician want to serve prescription by his own compounder or any other pharmacist, then there should write the prescription in such a way that a compounder faces no difficulty in dispensing with the prescription. Okay, already we have discussed that the handwriting should be good. Mostly it should be in capital handwriting. Okay, and the spelling, there should not be any type of spelling mistakes, especially when there is too many drugs related with the similar type of spelling, okay. It is a valuable document and must be properly written and must be preserved by the pharmacist, compounder or the patient after it has been served. Prescription is a legal evidence. Remember it. Okay, always this prescription is a legal evidence. Okay, that's why it is important. Okay, any type of medical legal issue is there, then it is a written document and it is important. Okay. Okay, all in OPD cases also and also in IPD cases. IPD cases, there is a chart or case sheet is there, so that is also important. Okay. Principles of writing an ideal prescription. Okay, now rules and regulation, how to write a proper prescription. Okay. Name, rule, a pattern or type. Definite norms is the most important in a ideal prescription. Prescription must be written in a definite pattern, is that superscription, inscription, subscription and signature. Okay, these 4 parts should be there. Superscription, inscription, okay, then superscription, inscription, okay, then subscription and signature. Okay, these 4 parts should be there. That is important. Superscription, inscription, subscription and signature. Okay, that are the important parts of a prescription. Inscription should not be written before superscription. Okay, and you should not change the sequence. Superscription, inscription, subscription and signature. Okay, this should be the proper sequence. You cannot interchange the sequence of writing a prescription. Okay, then superscription, on the other hand, superscription should never be written after subscription. Okay, maintenance of a proper arrangement of superscription, inscription, subscription and signature is the essential for an ideal prescription. Okay, so remember it, superscription, inscription, subscription and signature. These 4 parts are important. Okay, and exam wise also this is asked in question, write the contents of a prescription writing, or what is the content of prescription writing, that type of questions are there. Okay. Forms, okay, then shapes, molds, okay, styles. Prescription writing may be either in a simple form or in a Latin form. Simple form of prescription is generally used by the most of the physician nowadays. Okay, most means normally it is simple form. Okay, it should, okay, means that normal English form. Okay, so that many of like pharmacist or the patient, they can read it properly. Okay. Then legibility, okay, and easily readable. Prescription should be written in such a way that a compounder, pharmacist faces no difficulty with the prescription. Okay, they can understand properly actually what is the written by the doctor. Okay, you have seen many examples. Okay, like suppose any clinic is properly in, just I will give you one example. Okay, if any clinic is in non-Mensong, okay, and doctor has written the prescription, okay, to the pharmacy, okay, nearby non-Mensong, okay, only they can read that. Okay, if you just want to buy that particular with that particular prescription, you will go to Police Bazaar, you will go to Polo. Okay, the pharmacist will not be able to read. Okay, that type of things happen in market also. Okay, so that's why the physician should write it in a proper clear language. Okay, because the nearby this compounder or nearby pharmacist, they can read because they have a habit of reading that doctor's handwriting. Okay, then next is the accuracy and reliability of the ingredient. Okay, means what you are writing, that should be properly. Okay, means what is the medicine, what is the dose, for how many days you are telling. Okay, and when follow-up should be there, what extra advice you have given, with what the medicine should be taken, everything should be properly and clearly written. Okay, and administrating the small doses that will cure, minimum dose. Okay, so that you have to just, if you are giving a small dose also, that you have to write it properly. Okay, incompatibility, inimicals are not to be used. Okay, inimical or opposite or antidote like remedies should not be included in the same prescription. Okay, you are writing some medicine and you are just writing its antidote also. Okay, that is not a proper way of writing a prescription. Okay, you just give a question mark on the skill of the physician. Okay, Note: a prescription should not contain such ingredients that are contract one another, either physician chemically or physically, when mixed together. If they do so, they are known as incompatibles. Okay, means when you are writing a prescription, okay, actually the prescription clearly shows your knowledge. Okay, if you are writing a proper prescription, okay, so that gives your knowledge. Okay, means what knowledge you have, that is the just a reflect of your knowledge is there in your prescription. Okay, okay, so that's why antidote or the other remedy which are just not supporting with the previous remedy, that you should not write. Okay, you have to write in a clear handwriting and you have to write it properly so that patient can understand. Okay, and suppose patient is taking advice from other doctor, that other doctors, that they can also understand the what is prescribed. Okay, different parts of the prescription. What are the different parts of the prescription writing? Okay, an ideal prescription consists of 4 parts. Okay, the superscription, the inscription, the subscription, and the signature. Already we have discussed about this. The superscription, it includes, okay, what are the contents of different part. Okay, that is important. Okay, what is the content of the different part, that is important. Okay, so that's why remember it. Okay, now the superscription, it includes name of the patient with address. Okay, it should always be placed at the top of the prescription by the physician and should be transferred to the label by the compounder. The word "for" should be written before the name of the patient. Okay, means you have to, already we have discussed about this. Okay, "for" should be before "for," then patient name, age, sex, address, this much should be there. Okay, it should be properly written. Okay, then many times this is written by the receptionist also. Okay, when physician is busy, so already the, okay, physician or the attendant, okay, who are attendant to the physician, they write all the things. Okay, name of the patient, age of the patient, sex of the patient. Okay, then address of the patient. Okay, then registration number, anything is given to patient. Okay, so that things are already written by the receptionist or the attendant who are attending with the or the doctor. Okay, so this is important. Okay, then age and sex already we have discussed. Okay, then symbol RX stand for the Latin word recipe, which means to take. The oblique, okay, dash cross the R is probably a probably a relic of the symbol that this represents a prayer of the Jupiter. The later originally signs the symbol of the planet of our sun, the Jupiter. Okay, so RX is mainly related with the symbol of our planet, one of the our planet of solar system, that is the Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter, with the grace of Jupiter you take. Okay, already we have discussed this. Okay, now these are the part. Okay, so what is the part of the superscription? Okay, this is the name of the, "for" you have to write name of the patient, age of the patient, sex of the patient. Okay, then address of the patient, registration number should be there. What registration number? Okay, like a reference they are giving, hospital or clinic is giving, then "for" should be there. Okay, then after that RX should be there. Okay, so this much should be in the superscription. Okay, value of each item in the superscription. Okay, what is the value? Okay, what is the significance? What is important of that when you are prescribing to your patient? Okay, name of the patient, for identification of the patient, the name is essential while recording the case. Okay, name is essential already. By name also we can understand from which religion, okay, which area. Okay, like person is South Indian, North Indian. Okay, no, from Northeast. Okay, or from the other places. Okay, and religion of the patient. Okay, all these things also we can automatically understand. Okay, or country. Okay, many things we can understand. Okay, so that's why name is important. And for the reference, okay, for the reference, okay, the identification of the patient, name is essential while recording the case, the follow-up of the cases, as well as while the investigating any tests that are written in the prescription. Okay, but when you are just with the consent of the patient, you are with the consent of the patient, you are presenting same case in any place, or you are writing same case, you should not reveal the name of patient. You can write ABC, you can write Mr. XYZ. Okay, but you cannot reveal the name of patient. Okay, But when you are just presenting that case in any seminar, or you are just presenting or just writing that case in any type of articles, okay, that you have to not to reveal the name of the patient. You have to just put the XYZ or ABC like that. Okay. Then address, okay, location. By the address we can know the locality, area, okay, like, okay, many things are like nowadays. I will give you example, this COVID-19, okay. Suppose any patient will tell ki he is from Guwahati or Assam area, okay, just, okay, cough, fever, okay, then we will go for the COVID test, because it is this disease is spread there, okay, compared to the Meghalaya, okay. So that's why, okay, the location is important. Any type of disease is prevalent in that area, any type of other things are there, okay, or any type of means, just it will give you clue, idea, okay, idea of the, okay, like I will just give one example, okay. I am from my place, okay, like Chhattisgarh, okay. There, if, okay, one district is there, Marwahi, okay, that district is there, okay. So if any patient comes from that area, Marwahi area, okay, normally malaria test is compulsory, because that place is known for the malaria, that zone is known for the malaria, okay. So any patient coming with the, okay, rigor, fever, okay, malaria test is compulsory, okay, in that area, okay? So like that, okay, so that things are there, okay. So by the area or address you can understand ki which type of problem may be there, okay. Where the patient reserve is most important, there may be prevalence of some disease which attack person in a certain specific localities. By knowing the address, the physician may inquire about them. If the patient comes for his or her treatment for long distance, the physician usually faces great difficulty in treating the chronic diseases. In these cases, the physician must inquire how the patient will communicate with the doctor at a proper time interval, okay. Like suppose any person or any patient is coming to Nia from Arunachal, okay, from the Pasighat or from Itanagar, any patient is coming from the Agartala, okay, so like that. So how they can communicate, because it is not possible to come every 15 days, okay. So like that, okay, many things are there. So by the location, by address, you can know many things, okay. So that's why it has a many significance, okay. In the concern with the patient also it has significance, in the concern of the physicians, okay. If you want to do any type of research, any type of study, they can understand ki, in this area this type of problem is more prevalent, or more this type of problems are there, okay. Okay, like in Chhattisgarh, okay, in my place, government has opened, okay, institute, that is the sickle cell research institute, because most of the persons, they have a problem of sickle cell anemia, okay, sickle cell anemia, you know, okay, the shape of this RBC becomes a sickle cell, okay. So this type of research centers are there in that area, okay. Then age of the patient, okay. From the age, the physician can know the growth and development of the patient. There are certain diseases, example, adenoids. Okay, adenoids are related with the, okay, tonsillitis. Okay, just adenoid, tonsillitis, these are related with the throat. Okay, tonsils. Okay, adenoid. Okay, so this type of disease normally. These are certain diseases, example adenoids, which especially attack children's. And other example, enlarged prostate or cataract. Okay, the enlarged prostate will be the like adult, or this the geriatric patient, okay, old adult male, okay, and cataract may be to the male and female old patients, okay, cataract, okay, that in Hindi it is called as a motiabind, okay, in aged individuals. Okay, moreover, during selection of the potency, the age of the patient has a very important role. Okay, already we have discussed in the posology. Age of the patient is important, okay, for the prescription, okay, means how much dose you have to give. Okay, that age is also important. Already we have discussed, okay. Then the age, okay. Age of the patient is very important role. As we know, the susceptibility of the children is more, and with the advancement of the age, it gradually decreases. So the higher potencies are usually required in children, and lower potencies or medium potencies are aged individuals. Then sex of the patient, okay, sex of the patient, because with the sex you can know the type of diseases, okay. Like, okay, suppose any patient, okay, any patient will come with the abdominal pain, okay, male will come, okay, just you will think of GIT disturbance only, okay? But if any female will come with the stomach problems, okay, you can just suspect, okay, GIT problem also, okay, gastrointestinal problem also, you can understand it may be the any type of menstrual disturbance also, okay? That type of problem also you can just think in your mind, okay? There are some specific diseases related to the sex, male and female. Nature of the diseases prescribed to each sex is different, so a physician must write the sex of the patient, okay, when he is writing a prescription. Symbol RX, what is the symbol? Okay, practically it has less value for the treatment of the patient. The physician remember the name of God before writing a prescription, just like the proverb, I treat, he cures. Okay, I treat, he cures. Okay, I am treating by my best knowledge and best effort, okay, but the God will cure, okay, like that, okay. Like normally it is written in homeopathic colleges, okay, homeopathy, okay, I treat or we treat, homeopathy cures, okay, like that. Then the inscription part, okay, second part is the inscription part, okay, inscription. The inscription of the body or prescription includes name of the remedy, its potency and its quantity. Name of the remedy, potency and its quantity, how much you are giving. Okay, inscription, okay. And the inscription is called as the body of prescription. Remember it, okay. Inscription is called as the body of the prescription, okay. Roll number 55. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Remember it, okay. This inscription is called as the body of the prescription because it contains the name of the medicine, potency, and how much quantity you have to give. Okay, that is the reason. Okay. Next is the name and quantity of the vehicle, how much you are giving. Name of the remedy, potency, quantity should be written on first, then the name and quantity of the vehicle should be written. The inscription is most important than any other part of the prescription as the part contain the medicine as well as vehicle. Okay. Why inscription is important? Because it contains the medicine and it contains the vehicle. Okay. So remember it. Okay. Inscription is called as the body of the prescription writing. Okay. Next is the subscription. Okay, it includes the direction of the pharmacist as to the how to dispense remedy, M-fit mint, okay, M-fit pulp, etc. The signature, okay, from L signature, okay, let it be labeled. It includes, okay, like directions to the patient, make it point to the given direction in a definite manner. This should be brief, simple, and to the point. That should be written in a simple languages and good handwriting so that the patient can understand or disperse the instructions. How to use the medicine? It is important to mention the hour or the day when the medicines are to be taken or administered. Okay, then when to report, okay, when the follow-up should be there, that should be properly written. Okay, then some advices like diet, okay, to be allowed and to be avoided, which type of diet patient should have to take and which type of diet patient should avoid. Okay, then yoga and physiotherapies. Okay, then signature of the physician. Next part is the signature. Okay, signature part of the physician, which date and the registration number obtained from the homeopathic council. Okay, so this much is there in the parts of the prescription writing. Okay, so till here any doubt you have, anything you want to ask, anything?
No, sir.
Okay, so if everything is clear, okay, just once go through it. Okay, if you have any doubt, okay, in next lecture we will do it. Okay.
Okay.